In this video we'll look at using bulk data to populate the worksheet and then create the records in Oracle. So the only prerequisite is to ensure that the worksheet you're using matches or is tailored to the columns within the bulk worksheet. So quite simply do that as an initial one-off task, and then you can copy and paste the data directly into the workbook itself. Now you have two options. One is to go through the validation process in the first instance, or you can go straight to the upload process, either selected records or all records on the sheet, and this will do the validation process in the first instance, as you can see there, and then it will go ahead and create the records in Oracle Fusion. As you can see, the process is now complete and those records have now been created. And we'll see at the bottom of the sheet that we do have an issue with one of the records. So what we're going to do, as you can see, very clear messaging with regard to the error. So we've got the supplier type an error, so we'll just go ahead and correct that using the form, and then we'll go and upload the selected record. Now that process is complete, so that is the process of uploading records using bulk data.